Hi, I'm Emma with Vortex REI. Before we begin, please remember that the information in this video is intended for general educational purposes only. Every homeowner situation is different, and you should consider speaking with the appropriate professionals when making decisions involving your property, finances, legal matters, or taxes. Selling a home is one of the biggest financial decisions most people make. And if your home needs repairs, updates, or significant improvements, you may have heard the phrase, sell your home as is. But what does selling as is actually mean? Does it mean you have to accept a lower price? Does it mean you are giving up your opportunity to get the best outcome? Or could selling as is be the right solution depending on your goals and circumstances? Today, we're going to answer those questions and explain what every homeowner should understand before making this important decision. At Vortex REI, we believe every homeowner deserves honest information, real options, and the confidence to make the decision that's right for them. That's the Vortex Standard. So let's start with the basics. Selling a home as is generally means the homeowner is selling the property in its current condition rather than making repairs or renovations before the sale. This could include homes that need cosmetic updates, deferred maintenance, major repairs, or simply properties where the homeowner does not want to invest additional time and money before selling. But here is something important to understand. Selling as is does not automatically mean accepting a bad deal, and it does not mean your home has no value. Every property has value based on many factors, including location, market conditions, condition of the home, comparable sales, and the goals of the people involved. The question is not simply, how do I get the highest price? The better question is, what option creates the best overall outcome for my situation? This is where many homeowners need to slow down and evaluate their choices. For some homeowners, making repairs before selling may make sense. A fresh coat of paint, updated flooring, landscaping improvements, or other strategic updates may help attract more buyers and potentially increase the final sale price. But repairs also come with costs. Homeowners should consider not only the repair expenses, but also the time involved, managing contractors, unexpected problems, holding costs, and the stress that can come with preparing a home for the market. Sometimes a homeowner spends thousands of dollars and months of effort trying to maximize a sale price, only to discover that the additional money received does not create a significantly better outcome. This is why looking only at the highest possible sale price can sometimes be misleading. A higher sales price does not always equal more money in your pocket or a better experience. A homeowner should consider the complete picture. That includes the cost of repairs, time involved, transaction expenses, uncertainty, personal circumstances, and what matters most to them. For some homeowners, selling as is provides simplicity. It may reduce the need for repairs. It may allow them to move forward faster. It may make sense when dealing with an inherited property, a major life transition, a property that needs extensive work, or a situation where managing repairs is not practical. For others, a traditional sale with preparation and improvements may be the better choice. There is no single answer that works for every homeowner. A good real estate professional should help you understand the advantages and disadvantages of each option, not pressure you toward one specific outcome. That leads us to an important part of the Vortex Standard. A homeowner deserves transparency. You should understand how decisions are made. You should know the potential benefits and trade-offs. You should have time to ask questions. And you should never feel pressured into making one of the biggest financial decisions of your life before you feel comfortable. At Vortex REI, we believe the role of a professional is not simply to present an option. It is to help homeowners understand their options. Because the best real estate decision isn't always the fastest one. It's the one that is best aligned with your goals. That is the Vortex principle. The highest offer is not always the best outcome. The best outcome depends on your unique situation, your timeline, your priorities, and what matters most to you. So before deciding whether selling your home as is the right choice, ask yourself, what will require the most time, money, and effort? What outcome am I really trying to achieve? What options do I have? And do I have enough information to make a confident decision? That brings us to today's Vortex question. Am I choosing the option that simply sounds easiest today? Or am I choosing the option that creates the best overall outcome for my goals? Take the time to understand your choices. Ask questions. Compare your options. And choose the path that makes the most sense for your situation. At Vortex REI, we believe every homeowner deserves honest information, real options, and the confidence to make the decision that's right for them. That's the Vortex Standard. If you'd like to learn more about your real estate options, visit vortexrei.com. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the Vortex REI YouTube channel for more homeowner education videos designed to help you make informed decisions with confidence.